So whether you are a visual communicator, a designer, an illustrator, or just interested in understanding semiotics and how it can be applied, Semiosis 101 Season 2 will be your guide. Now that Season 1 can be referred back to for more detail, Season 2 will focus on this channel's viewers as beginners. In the next 20 Semiosis 101 videos, we will begin each episode with a basic question. Each question will focus on a simple point of view a beginner desires to ask. In the spirit of the theme, the Semiosis 101 video will answer the question in the most direct, creator-friendly way. In doing so, we will grow a designer-centric lexicon phrase by phrase. So don't be shy. Remember, there are no stupid questions. So ask your semiotic question in the comments.